Okay, thanks for joining me onto this adventure today. On this adventure, I have a water leak downstairs in this medical building. So, let's see what's going on. And we got water. Okay. Ceiling's wet. So it's got to be coming from something on top of me. This drain is letting out slow. That one is bone dry. Okay. Have this here. But this would be a pump. This wouldn't be the water. From there, there's a little water. So it's going to be somewhere dripping down that wall. I may or may not find myself. That's probably even that drain that's got the slow little drip right there. Probably only dripping so slowly because a plug or restriction isn't letting it come through. Until we found where it's leaking. Okay, let's go. Fire alarm control, it's kind of underneath that. It's the elevator. Oh, somebody's already working on this. What's going on here? Well, the landlord was here. Yeah, we got water inside here. Bottom insulation on the wall's wet. It's about to slip down. Okay. I'm not sure why they opened it and left it. Look. Okay, it's clogged. Now this unit's coming right back on. I was going to use my fancy pump and clean it. I'm surprised this hasn't shut it off, but it's higher than the drain. So it's kind of just draining back inside. That was a useless kill switch. Okay. Probably put the camera downstairs. Turn that off. Do I have lights? Oh, let there be light. We can see what we're doing. No tools. Nice, easy repair. No throwing up when you see what comes out. It's gonna be blah. Okay, blah. See, I doubt this way is clogged at all. Blah. But it can't go through, so it's a little. But, I can't even hold on to it. Boom, boom. I want privacy. I don't want people watching me as they're walking through. There we go. Now it's clear. Boom. Maybe not. It's going. Not fast, but it's going. I'm gonna close this up. There we go. Let's close this one up. Let's do a good flush. Going right through. Alright, that's all clear. I kind of made a mess. I made a mess. Look at me. Hey, hey, hey. I made a mess. I don't care. Okay. Close this up. Here already. A fancy drain cleaning tool. Cleans 98% of plug drains. Okay. And here we go. Let's go check out where the water terminates. The other one's still going. That's probably the one that had the slow trickle. This has no fancy trap set up or anything, so it never gets plugged. See, they want these on the positive side, but it just plugs and restricts. On the negative side they're needed, the positive side they're not. Inspectors still want them though, so we have to put them. This one's leaking a lot faster now. Look at all that crap. I should have probably paid attention to what was in the sink before. But from where all that crap is, looks like it's more was this one. I just flushed, but I don't see anything coming out of it. This one's still got a nice little drip. But we'll let it run for a couple minutes. And the unit is on now. And humidity outside is disgusting. I have to check. It's probably like 75-80% humidity outside. We had some nice cool days, 2 in a row. Now here's the next problem after I did that. Just make sure the drain goes down. Because you plug it with all that crap that just came through the trap. Now, is it my fault if I flood down here? Yes. It may not be, but yes, it kind of is my fault. Because this wasn't plugged until the drain got plugged. Still gonna blame it on me. It's usually how everything goes. We still have no water though out of that one. I'm still finding it hard to believe that the unit's been off for so long that this is There's only one way to tell. I'm gonna leave you guys here. I'm gonna go flush water through, and then I'll be able to see from the video which one actually terminates where. So you guys will get to see first before I do. Well, actually no, because I'm gonna edit it before I actually put it live. But you know what I mean. I just want to know. And hot water is great to use for something like this because it helps break up the crap in the pipe. Let that water get real hot. What kind of cleaners they have here? How's that? Simple green. That'll work. A little simple green to it. I'll clean out the inside of the pipes. I love that smell. I'm gonna touch the camera. I gotta clean my hands again. It probably is that drain, which means that the other AC is probably broken. Alright, so it's this one. But the way it's coming out kind of makes this side look a little restricted. I think it's good. All that water came through. Getting around the bend, so it's not even glued, so that looks good. What about in here? I'm getting some gunk that's going to come out. That simple grain will help break that stuff up. And then wherever it goes, whatever it is, what it is. Now these gloves can go in the garbage once I leave here. Remember, I got a lot of gunk and crap into that drain. You don't want a new issue all of a sudden. If it happens 2 weeks later, who cares? But right now, no. Oh, thanks for joining me on this leaking AC unit. Till next time, I'm Bill, and I'm out.